Hi! This week we will talk about the grammar for making questions in English. You will use this grammar when you send emails to people, so you will want to pay attention. I want you to pause the video and read the 4 questions on the screen. As you read them, think about what do you notice about these different questions? Okay. On the left, you may have noticed that these questions are using the simple present tense. Where do you go after class? This is like a habit or routine. On the right, the questions are using the present progressive tense. Where are you going right now? The rules for these are also here. For simple present, we have where plus do or does plus the subject plus the verb. Where, do or does. The subject in the first one is you. The subject in the second sentence is your sister. And then we have our verb, go and work. For present progressive, the rule is a little different. We have where plus the be verb, where are, where is, plus the subject, you or your sister, and then the verb with ing, going, working. All right, let's do this again. Here are 2 more sentences. What do you notice about these? Right. So on the left here, it's still simple present, and this is using the be verb. So up here, we had simple present, but the main verb was not be. We had go and work. Down here, the main verb is be. The be verb always follows some different rules. So when the main verb is be, we have where plus the be verb plus the subject. Where are you? Where is he? Notice this is different because we don't have do or does. Now on the right, it's blank. So remember, on the right side, we're looking at present progressive. We rarely use the be verb in present progressive. That's why this side is blank. We wouldn't make a sentence or a question using the be verb in present progressive. All right. Again, pause the video and take some time to read the sentences. What did you notice? On the left, we have simple past, and on the right, we have past progressive. The rules change a little bit with the past. Instead of do or does, we use did. For past progressive, we use the past form of the be verb. Where were you going? Where was your sister working? All right, pause the video again. What do you notice about the 2 new sentences? Yes, this is the simple past with the be verb. Just like the simple present with the be verb, the rule is a little different. We use the be verb in the past tense. Where were you? Where was he? Here are some more sentences. I want you to pause the video, read these questions, and think about what's the rule? So, these questions all start with a question word. What, when, where, how, why, and who. After that, we have did. Okay. After did, we have, these are all you, so this is our subject. And then we have our verb. So we have our question word, did, our subject, and then our main verb, study, graduate, go, study, choose, study. What about a question using the be verb? So using the be verb, we would take out did and instead put the be verb in that place. What are you? When were you? All right, pause the video again. What do you notice about these questions? These questions are all yes or no questions. That means that the answer is yes or no. Did you go to school? Did you graduate? Did you take out loans? You would answer this, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Here, we don't have that question word in the beginning, like what or when. We start with did. Then we have our subject, then we have our verb. What about if these are questions with the be verb? With the be verb, you don't use did. You just have your verb and then your subject with the question mark. One last thing we're going to look at today with questions is adding modals. Modals are words like should, can, might, may, and must. Pause the video and read these questions. What do we notice here? When we use modals, we still start with our question word, what, where, how, when, and why. And then we have the modal, should, can, should, might. Then we have our subject, and then we have our verb. Notice that when we use modals, we don't use the word do, does, or did. We take that out and put the modal there instead. For yes or no questions, you just start with the modal. You don't need that question word like what or why. Okay. On the next page, you're going to take a quiz. In that quiz, you're going to make a question for each of these answers. So for example, I am an engineer now. So this is the information I want to know, engineer. So this is what. So the question I would make is, what are you now? All right, good luck.